to Aryabhat Center for Theoretical Physics. This is the lecture series on calculus, and this is the fourth lecture. In this lecture, I am going to explain Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? We can represent set and relationship between set through diagrams, and Venn diagrams are the best way to represent relationship between set. So in Venn diagram, we first of all take universal set U, and we try to look whether any subset is any subset belongs to this universal set or not. So suppose take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to what you call 3, 4, 5, and suppose universal set or superset is 1 to 15. So how we can represent this through Venn diagram? First of all, let us take that this rectangular box is U, and here A is a circle 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. This is A, and we also says that B is 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. You can see that element 3 is common to both A and B. So this is common 3, and 1, 2, 3 is the set A, 3, 4, 5 is the set B. This is how we can represent the Venn diagram. And suppose there is another set D, which is 6 and 7. So here 6 and 7, this is D. So this D is in A. This D is separate from A and B. So this is the example of Venn diagram. It is a simple technique to establish a connection between different kind of set. And suppose U is the superset of all living creatures. So this is U, and this A can be set of all humans. This A can be set of all what you call cats. And here in cat there is a lion, which is also cat. This is C, which is the subset of A. So this is how we can represent a Venn diagram. So any closed area in Venn diagram represents a non-empty shape. So in the Venn diagram, any closed area is simply a non-empty set. So this is how we can draw a Venn diagram. And in the next, we will talk about operation on sets. On set. In the next video, we will talk about operations on set.